Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a lovely 8 bedroom, 6 bathroom house with great potential. It is located at Waltham in Mandeville. It sits on a quarter-acre lot with floor space of approximately 7,991 square feet. The basement has 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, living, dining, kitchen, laundry room, and patio. The main floor consists of 2 bedrooms with ensuite bathrooms, kitchen, dining and living, laundry room, rear and side patio. The first floor consists of a family room, a master bedroom, his and hers closet with ensuite bathroom, with 3 additional bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, with front, side, and rear balcony. The carport can hold 2 large vehicles or 4 compact cars. This property can be your dream home and generate additional income. Call today for your viewing appointment. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. This house was reduced by Jamaican 2.5 million. The new asking price for this house is Jamaican 69.5 million, US 440.5 thousand, Canadian 630,000, Euro 404.6 thousand, or 342.3 thousand pounds. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.